Lonesome's game with Pookie. Listen to this, cat cult.
Some random noise soon. My iPad is possessed.
Also, Rani was in this call.
Found plunger, Posy.
Oh, jump scare.
Numbs her feet. Ovogs Viagaga. Homicidal cat. Oh.
Forehead pick.
Eats her doggle. Found Frank.
Why do I look like I'm being scolded by two parents?
Oh, swallow the breathing quarterback.
It's giving Uncle Jimmy.
iPads suck.
Earth
Cast
puddles.
is stinky. Found a bald son. Me being judged because.
Yeah!